Let's not forget to enjoy the game. Kung dyan ay pinaka-kuha na mo nga kuhan. I talk to Boss Kaloy. Yan na siya nga enjoy kita dapat sa game. Good. Enjoy kita dapat sa game. Sila kuhan ba? Enjoy the game, right? Wala ka na yan. You can enjoy and second.
All right, let's go with the beats. Come on. Say 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Take your left, take your right. Move to the left, move to the right. Balik na sila Juan. Oh.
Jersey number 24, Bastatas. Wearing jersey number 12, Managar. Wearing jersey number 3, Tomeros. Wearing jersey number 9, Olbeso. Santugo, Samoa. Municipals after competing with 20 teams all over the country. To give us this message of gratitude, let us call the Batang Filipino Basketball League National Commissioner, Mr. Ron Camara. A round of applause, please.
Sam. Back to the ball game.
Menang kami. Wala mo. Hindi, mananalo kami. Manatanan. Pero si Kumi wala pa. Kasi kaya tapos ito.
Oh, nagtaon pas kumi na yung sa mukha.